Do you wake up feeling tired, sore, or stressed, no matter how much you sleep? A grounding sheet can make a huge difference in how you feel every single day. Grounding sheets work by connecting your body to the Earth's natural energy while you sleep. It's a simple way to improve your sleep, reduce pain, and help stress relief, all without extra effort on your part. So here's why so many people are swearing by grounding sheets. They can help you sleep better by calming your body and your mind, so you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. They're also great for pain relief. If you deal with stiff joints, back pain, or inflammation, a grounding sheet can help reduce those aches and discomforts. And they're amazing for stress. Grounding has been shown to lower cortisol levels, so you can wake up feeling more balanced and ready to take on the day. Using a grounding sheet is super easy. First, set it up on your bed, lay it on top of your mattress or under your fitted sheet with a conductive side facing up. Next, plug it in. Attach the cord to the grounding wall outlet. Or, if you're outdoors, you can use a grounding rod. For the best results, test your outlet with a power outlet checker to make sure that it's grounded properly. And that's it. Once you're set up, the grounding sheet does all the work for you while you sleep. If you want to learn more about how grounding works, I recommend checking out the Earthing Institute. They have a ton of information about science and the benefits of grounding. You can also watch the Earthing movie. It's full of real stories from people who have seen their health improve through grounding. I've been using a grounding sheet from the Grounding Well Company for about 2 months now, and it has made a huge difference. I wake up feeling refreshed, my pain is down, and I feel more energized throughout the day. My friends and family have had similar results, and I love hearing how it's helped them too. If you're ready to try it, check the description for my affiliate link to the grounding sheet that I recommend from the Grounding Well Company. It's the same one that I use, and I know you'll love it just as much as I do. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video channel and hit the notification bell for more tips and tools to help you live better every day. See you in the next video.